Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Dolls and More. And this will be part 2 of Clyde here. Now, I'm just showing you the brush, that I used to brush him with. And that's the only amount of hair out of all brushing him. That's all I got out of him. And just to show what it is, a pet brush. Excuse me, I got the hiccup starting, I think. But anyways, we're going to go to Clyde and his little outfit. I sewed up the hole there, and so I'm going to put this on him. Got it there, John?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's the hole for his tail. And it makes it nice and neat when you sew it up and give it just a little bit of a hem. And that's all you need is a nice little hole in the back. And that's going to be his for good now. So we'll always know that's his. Unless I get another monkey in, I guess someday, you know, that might have a tail, I guess. But this is all I've got for right now. So he's going to have to wear. I'm going to be buying him more outfits. And I'm going to have to sit down and just snip a little hole. And, you know, do some sewing every now and again. So that's okay, I don't mind. You know, so I'll be buying him some things here and there to dress him with. Now we can put his tail, now we can put it through the hole, and he's got hole room. Look at that.
Perfect fit.
Perfect fit. Just beautiful for him. See there? Nice. Doesn't that look nice?
Yeah.
And just like I say, it's just simple sewing.
And look at that smile
oh
on
my
his
goodness.
face.
He is a happy.
He even likes it.
Yes. He's a happy man. Whoops. Now this has a lot of crotch snaps on it. I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh my goodness, not for a baby that's moving around. Ooh. But then this is 1 out of 3 months or something. The way it's from Britain, this outfit is. So, because it was in pounds. I got this from a place here we call Winners. And they got a bunch of this stuff sitting there. And getting their winter stuff in too. So, but anyways, as it may be. Just going to do this up on. There we go. Oh my goodness, Clyde, look at you. Now let's get some legs down here. Oh, you're looking spectacular.
Now that is one well-dressed
that's
monkey.
a handsome young man there. Just for fun, it says on his shirt there.
Okay,
just
now
for fun.
lift him up and slowly turn him around like they do with the fashion
Oh
model.
yeah, let's see this. Okay, well his feet just aren't pointing the right way, but you know what? That's what monkeys do. So let's take him. We'll move him around. Oh, there's the tail. Good stuff. His tail's sticking out. He's got room for it now. There we go, all the way around, just for fun. And he's got bananas and lemons all over that. And that's just for him. Now we have another one sitting here, and this one is for Mary Lou, because they're best friends. Now Mary Lou, let's talk about her for a minute. If we start at her head, of course, we got her wonderful little flower, down to her nice little red dress. But there's something about Mary Lou that you don't know, because she's really feeling very fashionable these days. Mary Lou is wearing high heel shoes. I want everybody to look down at those nice, beautiful high heel shoes Mary Lou is wearing. Those are just gorgeous, Mary Lou. Look at those. Now, what are these? These are from Build-A-Bear. I bought a bag of clothes, and inside were some Build-A-Bear shoes. And I thought, well, why not just try them on her and see? And they fit. I had a pair that were closed toe and open toe. Believe it or not, the closed toe did not, well, there was one pair that did work, a pink pair, but the other ones didn't. But these ones did. They kind of gave her a little bit more room to stick out some toes so I could get it over her heel of her foot very nicely. They're a little bit on the wide side for her, but they work.
Yeah, the problem with those monkeys is they've got really long feet. They don't fit into normal shoes.
Yeah, so you see they're Build-A-Bear. They're all...
Let me get in on it.
Yeah, I don't know if that says Build-A-Bear or not, what that says, but inside you can see it's
oh yeah, Build-A-Bear,
yeah.
Build-A-Bear.
And they got the little paws on the back here. But those are her little high heel shoes for now anyways. She don't mind them. If it's for a bear, she don't care. But anyways, we're going to undress her because she has a matching outfit. And, well, not a matching, but it came as a two-set, I mean. So we're going to let her have the other one. And we'll look at her body structure and how she's made and everything. And see, she has this part here on her, and it's a bit of a booty on her. So right here, she's got like a little hump bump right there, where he has the tail that sticks out. And I imagine this is what she has.
Oh, that means
that is
she's
her
a
tail.
gorilla, doesn't it?
Could be in the gorilla family, but she has a chimp face. She has the chimp face, though, so
wait,
I don't know.
Is that how it really is? A monkey has a tail, but a gorilla doesn't?
I don't know. I've never really studied them to know.
I think that's how it goes.
No, is it?
I never
But anyhow,
thought about that.
I paid $6 for these two sets here. It says, see, Zara Baby, 1 out of 3. So size. So I don't know if that's 1 to 3 months or 62 centimeters. I don't know. We're not going to get all hung up on it. We're just going to move forward with it. Mary Lou, you're going to join your boyfriend here, Clyde. Mary Lou and Clyde. Oh my goodness.
And if there's anybody out there who's an expert in primate, whatever, let us know.
Body structure.
Yeah. Is it true that gorillas don't have tails?
Do all chimps? I don't know. I've never really studied them to know. But you want to know something? It wouldn't matter anyways because she ain't got one. She's just got like this little humpy bumpy dumpy thing on the back of her here. So that's okay by us. And she's got these long arms. So Clyde and her get along just fine with all this. So there we go. Mary Lou. This is a little different than what she was wearing because she likes to get all prissied up and looking gorgeous and everything. And she loves her high heels, but she likes to dress down too. She likes her relaxation clothes. Nothing like a monkey relaxing. And letting it be told too. Now look at this. Oh my goodness. So let's get this up here on the shoulder. And she's got her party outfit on. Look at that. Big belly too. That's a lot of banana eating there. Oh, Clyde and her are just hitting it off great now. What can she wear with this? Well, I got her out a nice little flower to put with her hair because she loves her flowers. And we got her shoes here. Some polka dot shoes.
Oh, and here's another question.
I don't know if these are
Can a gorilla and a monkey make offspring together?
Well, these two can if they, but not around here. They're just little. These are just babies. They're in the child size, I would call them. But I don't know if monkeys mix like that. They stay with their own, I think. Gorilla with gorilla, chimp with chimp. Or you have a chimprilla.
Yeah.
There we go. Well, I know he's looking over at her. He's going, girl, you're looking pretty. And she's like, I know. I'm always pretty. Yeah, she won't even look at him. She's just enjoying her prettiness. All right, guys. That really worked out nice. Sewing that up the back for Clyde there on his tail. He's got his tail now out and he can sit there and talk to Mary Lou and they can have conversations now in their matching little outfits. There you go. So.
Just don't get any bright ideas about axes.
That's Percy. We don't know about Percy yet, his background, where he came from. So, but anyhow, there we go. Mary Lou's looking pretty. Now, there is something special coming up next month. And we're going to be talking more about it as we approach it. But there's a big day coming up in October. And we're going to talk more about it as we get closer and closer to it. And you'll be finding out more about the big surprise that's coming up. So stay tuned, more to come.
Thank you for joining us.
Bye-bye.